Today marks more than the opening of a clubhouse. It represents another milestone in our commitment to create a thriving, vibrant, and welcoming community here in Lipa City. It feels like belonging. It feels like knowing that beyond your front door, there's a place where your family can gather, celebrate, rest, and thrive together. It offers spaces for celebration, children enjoying the pool, your families enjoying the pool, or neighbors simply spending time together. This facility was created to enrich everyday life. And that vision is now standing here before us, and this is the Arcoe Center.
So when we were conceptualizing this project, our goal was not really to build a grand and elegant clubhouse. Rather, we wanted something that is unique yet familiar, and something modest yet unmistakably identifiable. A clubhouse that seeks not to stand out, but rather welcomes. This space belongs to all of us. Maraming salamat and welcome home to Arcoe Center.
Very blessed to have a very sunny weather. We want to thank for everybody for their hard work, especially the people on ground for making this event possible. So thank you very much, everyone.